Namaste, my dear children. Hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to learn about screen recording, changing office theme, comments, and smart lookup. So, first of all, we will open the PowerPoint presentation. So, for the screen recording, first of all, we will go to the Insert tab. As you all can see, this is the Insert tab. There is a screen recording option in media group. You can see this is a screen recording option in media group. So first of all, we will click over here. Now we will select the area, whatever area we want to be recorded. So I have selected record button. So now my recording has started. So whatever I will play, it will get record. YouTube. So all these things are recorded in my. Now I want to stop my recording. So how I will stop my recording? Simply I will press the window, shift and Q key. Now you can observe my recording has done. See? So children, you can see whatever I have recorded, it is saved in my presentation. Now I can save my media wherever I want in my computer. I can change the file name, screen recording, save. Now you can observe this file has been saved. See? Now my next topic was changing office theme. So how I can change office theme? I will go to the file option. There is a option of options. I will go there. Inside the option there is a general tab. You can see this is a general tab. So inside the general tab you will get the office theme. So how many type of office theme we have? 3 type: colorful, dark gray, white. Now I'm choosing the dark gray. Now see, the color has changed of my office theme. Again, file, option, change, white. Okay, now my file office theme, my theme of office has changed. Now next option is comment. So comments are a great way to provide. I'm taking a new slide. Comments are a great way to provide a feedback to other about their presentation. They can also be used to collaborate and work together on presentation. They are more like a sticky note. We all use sticky note that can be added to an object, text or whole slide. So how we can put the comment in our slide? I will tell you. So first of all, we will go to the review tab. There is a review tab. So I'm clicking over here, review tab. So there is an option of new comment. In the comments group, you can see this. So I will click here. Now my screen recording media. Now you can see this is a comment which is appear here. Now you can see this is a comment icon. When I will click here, I can reply it. So comment icon appear on the slide and comment task pane open. This is a comment task pane. Type the comment and then click outside the comment box. Okay. In order to view the comment, either click on the comment icon on the slide or click on the show comment. This is an option of show comment. You can see the comment. You can delete the comment from here. Delete all comments on a slide. So all the comments will be deleted in this slide. This is a comment. So whenever I will click here, this panel will get open. So next topic is Smart Lookups. Smart Lookup is a new feature in Office 2016. This feature allow you to find the information for selected word or phrase on the web using the search engine Bing. It does not force you to open up a web browser. Everything you need a quick word definition. So first of all, we will go to the review, and inside this review there is a inside group. This is an inside group. So first of all, I need to write anything. So I'm typing the word enlightenment. So I will select it. I will click on the Smart Lookup. Now you can observe at the right side you will get the meaning of enlightenment. So we have in Smart Lookup there is a two tab. One tab is a explore and another one is a define. You can see this is explore and this is a define. So explore tab preview the information associated with the selected text from the different online resources, as you can see. And define tab contains the definition and pronunciation for a selected text. Now see. Thank you, children. There is a one tip. You can also open the Smart Lookup window by typing the word to be selected and in a Tell Me text box and select the Smart Lookup option from the drop down list. Thank you for watching.